Well, here we are with our 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory, fresh out of restoration. Do a quick flyby here. Got a original set of sails on it, the jib, the main, and the mizzen. We'll start at the stern today. It's got all new lines. There's a new bumpkin. Has a new rudder. Has new paint. It's 2 coats of primer, Pettit Easy Prime with Pettit Easy Epoxy Blue Ice over the top of that. 3 coats of that. All new blocks. This is the original tiller. It's made by Honor Marine. Like I said, she's a 1979. It's a new outboard mounting pad cut out of teak. Transom cap is new, cut out of teak. Painted the sides. Restored the original oars. Cut a new floor out of Kumaru, which is Peruvian teak. Right now I've got just a couple of sunfish main sheets on there for the jib sheets. Might change those over to something else. New center plate uphaul line. Is the original oar locks plus an extra set. Cut a new seat from Kumaru. Is the original shrouds and the Terraline lines. We added some belaying pins, original jib sheet, original main halyard. Added a new tack downhaul for the sail. The gaff or the yard was with the boat. Added some peril beads. And the jib's in good shape. We cut a new bumpkin out of spruce and a new bowsprit out of spruce. We stopped up front here with some West Country English whipping. Not sure if we're going to put the dowel or if someone might want to add a roller furler and a little bobstay down to the bow there. Got a new bow line. The spars have a Minwax dark cherry stain with 3 coats of Total Boat Gleam satin varnish on them. And some 3mm paracord for marlin hitch. The main and the mizzen. Quick notes about the trailer. The trailer, the main frame, the tongue is new. The main frame and the fenders are original. Everything else on the trailer is new. Trailer jack, trailer coupler, chains, winch, bow stop, rollers. Here's more of the Pettit blue ice paint. With a nice shine. Back to the trailer, new tires, new bearings, new axle, new springs, new wheels, new lug nuts, Pozalube hubs, which are some of the best hubs on the market for greasing. New LED lights. Back to the boat. More interested on that. Where we're at on the boat now, we've got the outside painting, trying to decide if we want to do anything to the inside other than just clean it up a little bit. The boat was used hard, put up wet. It has a little bit of storm damage, a little rash there on one side, but that's I think the rest of the gel coat can be brought back to really good condition depending on what you intend to use it for. Little cubby storage back here. The boat will come with the necessary required safety equipment except for personal flotation. You've got a throwable device. There's a fender in here. Got the little cover for the cuddy there. Add in an anchor, 50 feet of anchor line. The other side over here is fire extinguisher in case you had a motor, and a day signal. Here's a better look at the floors. You can see they're cut out of teak. And those are all brand new. There's a New England rope vintage stay set throughout the boat, and tough gnaw blocks that are similar to original equipment. This is a great little 1979 Drascombe Dabber sitting on essentially a new trailer, ready to go. We had it just a few more minutes daylight today. She'd go in the water right now. We've had the center plate out and checked it. 55 pounds. It's in outstanding condition. No issues there. Float test is good. No leaks. So she's just waiting to go sailing, to go rowing. I'm going to add a little 2 horsepower kicker back here. She go just motor about. They're designed with the trailerability in mind. Fun time for the family with no boom on the main. Lively sailor when you put the family on the beach, or they go with you if that's the way you roll. And that's what the design criteria was. 1979 Drascombe Dabber Victory. She's available. Just to shoot us a message and let us know you're interested.